Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to send BUSD from Kraken to your Arculus wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will help you move your assets securely and efficiently. With the crypto world evolving fast, I'll cover the latest methods to ensure you're up to date. First things first, before we jump in, make sure you have a few basics sorted. You'll need a verified Kraken account with some BUSD in it, and your Arculus Wallet app installed and set up on your device. Oh, and always double-check your wallet addresses to avoid any mishaps. Crypto waits for no one. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account using your secure credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets section and select BUSD from your asset list. This is where you'll initiate the withdrawal. Step 2. Click on the Withdraw button next to BUSD. You'll be prompted to enter the destination address. That's where your Arculus wallet comes in. Open your Arculus app, go to the Receive section, and copy the BUSD address. Paste that into the Kraken withdrawal form, and don't forget to specify the amount you want to send. Kraken might ask for a two-factor authentication code here for extra security, so have that ready. Step 3. Review everything carefully. Check the address, the amount, and any network fees. Remember, blockchain transactions aren't free. Once you're confident, hit confirm. Your BUSD should now be on its way. This process usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Finally, once the transfer is complete, open your Arculus wallet to verify that the BUSD has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it some time and check your transaction history on Kraken. There you have it. That's how you send BUSD from Kraken to Arculus wallet in 2025. A quick tip. Always use official apps and enable security features like pins or biometrics. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there in the crypto world.